In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flyer in Lucidpress, now known as Mark. Whether you're creating a promotional flyer for an event, a sale, or simply getting creative, this process will guide you step by step in under 5 minutes. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Lucidpress, which is now called Mark. Once you've found it, log into your account. If you don't have one, it's easy to sign up. But for today, let's focus on those who are already in. Next up, navigate to the Templates section. Simply enter Flyer in the search bar. You'll be presented with a variety of pre-designed templates. Browse through these and choose a base template that best fits your vision. Remember, the base template is just a starting point. It's highly customizable. In the top left corner of the editor, you'll want to rename your document. Giving it a unique, descriptive name will make it easier to find later on, especially if you plan to create multiple flyers or other projects. Now, let's adjust the document's size and orientation. Using the drop-down menu on the right side of the editor, you can select the best dimensions and choose between a landscape or portrait orientation. This is important to match the format you're aiming for, whether it's a printed flyer or a digital one. Moving on to adding your personal touch, double-click on any text box within the template. Here, you can enter your own content, modify the font, and change the style through the text panel located on the right. This is your chance to make sure your message is loud and clear, so take your time to tweak the wording and design. When it comes to visuals, double-click on image placeholders within the flyer. This action allows you to replace the default images with your own photos. You can also use the built-in image search to discover new options. Another great feature is the ability to drag and drop logos or other important visuals directly onto the flyer. This ensures your flyer is unique and aligns with your brand or theme. If you want to play with color, double-click on the color fill box. This opens up advanced options where you can insert custom colors or adjust the opacity settings to get the perfect shade. Experimenting with colors can add depth and texture to your flyer. For precise design alignment, make use of the Align and Layout options. These tools help you position elements like text boxes or images accurately, ensuring everything stays within printable areas while maintaining a pleasing and consistent layout. You can enhance the flyer by dragging and dropping additional elements such as shapes, lines, or even maps from the content bar. These additions can add visual interest or provide helpful information. Finally, when your flyer is just as you want it, click the Share button to collaborate with team members in real time or simply save your project. When it's time to wrap up, go to the File menu and select your desired format, whether it's PDF, JPEG, or PNG, to download your finished design. And there you have it, a creative and efficient way to craft a flyer using Lucidpress, now Mark, in just a few minutes. Happy designing!